Hey guys, it has been so long since I filmed a video with FabFitFun. This is my summer box. I haven't unboxed it. I haven't peeked on Instagram. I missed the spring box. I received it, but I just didn't have a chance to unbox it for you, which I'm really sorry about. But this is the summer box. I'm really excited about it because look at the box. It's so pretty. All these fun pops, bright colors. I love it. It's been a while. So, FabFitFun, just a little rundown if you are new to this whole concept. It is a subscription box. It's a lifestyle box, so it has every little bit of goodness, beauty, fashion, fitness, health, home decor, everything under that umbrella. And it is $49.99 4 times a year. I do have a $10 off coupon code, so I'll put it here and then in the description box below if you want to grab it. Let's open it up. Oh my gosh, even the inside's cute. Turquoise and yellow. There's always like a little FabFitFun, like, what do you call this? Magazine catalog. It tells you more about the contents, the prices of everything. There's a lot of just good, this is a good bathroom read. That's what I always say. There's always recipes and DIYs and stuff about the contents and why they chose what they did, partnerships, collabs if they do it. There's a little strawberry sticker. Okay, so I'm gonna put it down so I can, oh my God, okay. I already am so excited, and guess why? Okay, I'm gonna pull this first because if you guys follow me on YouTube or Instagram or any bit of social media, you know that Coola is the only sunscreen I use for myself and my kids. It's organic, it's natural, it smells phenomenal. It's great for sensitive skin, it's great for baby skin, I mean not under 6 months. And I've never had any issues with breakouts or redness or anything like that. There's never any white cast, there's never any greasy feeling. It's just the perfect sunscreen, but it's very expensive, especially when you're using it on your entire family. But for me, it's so worth it because there's no chemicals in it, and it's not like, you don't have to, it comes off really easily in the bath and in the shower. It's not one of those sunscreens that's just like stuck on your skin. And this one in this box is the Classic Face Sport Sunscreen, organic, SPF 50. This is amazing stuff and it's so expensive. I'm gonna look in the prices at the end, but it is non-GMO, vegan, made out of recycled ingredients, and it's farm to face, cruelty-free, TSA approved, so the size of it is great to stick in your bag if you're going on an airplane. I'm glad that I got this because I honestly was about to buy this at Sephora recently, and then I remembered that I still had one from Dermalogica that I'm using up, but now I have this one. Okay, this purple box is an aromatherapy de-stress muscle gel. Use some of that. I'm always stressed about something. It's probably one of those like icy hots would be my assumption. Let me just put a little bit on. Let's see. It smells so good. It's focusing and soothing. But yeah, it has that like cooling sensation. It says apply generously and massage into overworked joints and muscles as often as necessary. Not recommended during pregnancy. It's got rosemary, black pepper, lavender, and ginger. It smells amazing. So it's kind of just like a good lotion. And then, oh, this is good. So this is by Vasanti. I've never heard of this brand, and this is why I really love FabFitFun, because it has opened my eyes to so many different brands that I probably wouldn't have heard of or tried otherwise that have become like staples in my hair, skin, makeup routine. So this is their Brighten Up Ematic Face Rejuvenator. It is an exfoliating cleanser with papaya, microcrystals, and aloe. This is gonna be amazing for getting off like dead skin, giving you a bright glow. Right now, I'm not using my favorite one, which is the Exfoliate, which has come in previous FabFitFun boxes because I'm nursing. But any kind of like microdermabrasion, fine little scrubs that you can do on your face to just get off that top layer, get off all the grime from the day, clean out your pores. I love anything brightening too because I suffer from hyperpigmentation, melasma from pregnancy, sunspots. This is gonna be great. Oh my God. I cannot even believe this is in here. What? This is the Foreo Luna. This is sold at Sephora, and I know this is expensive. So it's a little face silicone brush. This one is a lot more gentle than the Clarisonic, and I I'm so excited that this is in here. You can use it in the shower and it just kind of like massages the product over your face, really deep cleans your pores, better than your fingers can do. So I am really excited to try this. I've always been wondering about this, but I have my Clarisonic, so I never bit the bullet to buy it because it is pricey. But now I have an excuse to try it. I can't wait to see what all of this stuff costs because I know this is gonna be one of the more expensive boxes. This is so cute from Pier 1. Didn't even know Pier 1 like collabed with FabFitFun. So it's a little jewelry dish. Black and white marble. Hold on. Okay, there. It's black and white marble with rose gold trim in this cute little geometric shape. That is so cute. Like a good catch-all on your kitchen counter sink when you're washing dishes, for your rings or your cooking, or also in your bathroom, on your bathroom vanity for your jewelry of the day that you take off before you do your whole nighttime routine. It's really, really cute. Oh my God, I'm like blown away. If you've seen any of my FabFitFun boxes, you're probably like, she says this every time, but really, like they just keep getting better. This is by Tarte, and this is their Tarte Tyst Pro Glow Highlight and Contour Palette. Let's see. Oh my God, this is like no joke. Wow. So Tarte, if you aren't familiar with it, Tarte is all like cruelty-free and vegan. Look at this. This smells really good too. I don't know if it's supposed to, but it smells really good. I love the packaging. It's so luxe. There's a cream bronzer. I just nicked it there. And then there is all of these amazing shimmery highlight powders. Wow. So these are all powders. Cream bronzer. This is the lightest powder. This one's beautiful. Wow. I'm really, really excited. I haven't seen much about this, but I'm gonna have to look on YouTube for some good tutorials because these would make amazing eyeshadows too, the shimmery ones. Is also a matte bronzer if you don't like cream, but you can use them both together. And then this one looks like a really good, this looks like the one color in my ambient lighting palette that I use to set my under eyes. These colors all look amazing for summer. Serious glow. Wow, that is beautiful. Then we got, what is this? Like a little toiletry bag. By Yumi Kim. This is like a blue navy leather bag. It's like faux leather. And then the inside is like a wipeable material. This is great for travel. That's really cute. And then finally, we have Orlando Pita Palais. This is a hair protectant spray for damp or dry hair. And I'm sure this probably smells really good. Wow, yeah. Ultimate preheat styling spray with 10 incredible benefits. Up to 450 degrees heat protection, humidity control. It repairs split ends, preserves shine, smooths the hair cuticle, promotes softness, refreshes curls, helps maintain color. This does a lot. So that is amazing, incredible. I'm so excited. There's also a straw in here. It says, this straw saves marine life. Visit giveasip.us. Recycled paper. That's cool. So this is amazing. Now let's see what everything costs because this is crazy. Okay. So the total value of this box, are you ready? It's always $49.99 regardless of what is inside, but the value of what is inside the products total always at least $250 and go up. So in this box, depending on what you receive, because there's like alternative things I'm gonna share with you, depending on what's inside, it ranges from $321.99 to $367.99. So just to break it down, the Foreo is $89, which I knew that was gonna be expensive. The Kula sunscreen, $32. The palette, the Tarte palette, $45. And if you didn't get this palette in your box, then you would have gotten the Pro To Go palette and Sex Kitten liquid liner, also from Tarte, and that's $43. The little trinket tray from Pier 1 is $14.99, and it looks like the Kula, this, and the Foreo are in every single box. If you didn't get this hairspray, which this is $34, then you would have gotten a papaya enzyme peel from Elemis, which is $45. The toiletry bag, that's $58. And if you didn't get this print, then you got the floral print. Didn't get the case, the toiletry case, then you would have received a Summer and Rose beach towel for $55, and this is what they look like. If you didn't get the aromatherapy gel, you would have gotten either a black lava body caviar or a pearl ring. So the range of that is from $39 to $55. And then the Brighten Up, if you didn't get that, which is that's $29. If that wasn't in your box, then you would have gotten either a Postscript wallet or a loop resistance band. And those are ranging from $15 to $29. These are the other two options if you didn't get the enzyme peel. This is amazing. This is an awesome box. It's just nice. I feel like a lot of subscription boxes start off really strong and they get you locked in, and then you're going, you know, you're still staying subscribed, and then the quality of the products and the contents kind of just like goes downhill. And sometimes I feel like those boxes just give you like their leftover press samples that they're getting sent from who knows where. But this box, these are full-size products like available now. These are not products that are like discontinued, hard to find from no-name brands. Like you could go to Sephora and buy both of these products at full price, and that's crazy. And the palette too. Like all of these are full price, available at Sephora right now. So this palette alone, 45 bucks, basically pays for like everything else in the box, which is just crazy if you bought just this palette. So if you were planning on buying this palette, you might as well just subscribe to FabFitFun and get everything else while you're at it. So that is it for this summer unboxing. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll have my $10 off coupon code in the description box below. Thank you for watching this video, and I will talk to you later. Bye.